George, it's me, Jeremy. Welcome to Guangzhou. We just landed and we're off to another adventure. Wow, adventure. Pauso. Huli na muna namin mga bags namin. Ayan. So it was about a 3-hour flight from Manila to Guangzhou. Then from here, we're gonna take another mode of transportation. This is my, I think, second or third time in Asia to do this. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I will. Sundan nyo ako kung anong transportation to. Sundan nyo lang tong video na to. Let's go!
Good morning, Georgers. Time check, it is 7 a.m. And time to get ready. 9 a.m. yung call times baba. Tapos 2 hours yung biyahe papunta dun sa port. So alam nyo na kung anong transportation. Ayan. This is our room. Yeah.
So we just arrived at the port. Ito po siya. That's the situation.
So, iwan natin yung luggages natin and then mamaya dadali na nila diretso yun sa room natin.
Okay,
That's why importante na itag mo yung luggage mo. And then we show our passports and ticket. We're leaving. Tapos na embarkation. So, medyo magulo. Ang daming tao, kakagulo. Pero, sumusunod naman sa linya lahat. This is their buffet area. Hindi pa masyadong kagulo, wala pang ibang tao. Pero I'm sure maya medyo chaos na yan. Organized chaos. Sabi organized chaos. So they even offer unlimited drinks, non-alcoholic for 388 HKD. Ano yung peso yun? Almost 3,000 pesos. Yan, mga ganun. Pwede na pala. Not so bad. Mga siraulo yung mga kasama ko. Hinahang yung Titanic. Huwag kayong ganyan pa manifest natin.
He's amazing.
Oh, Lisa! Parang Jessa Saragosa. Nasal talaga, be. Sabi, artsy, aesthetic,
Over the borders of our mind, 'cause today is a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that?
Ayan, so now they're alerting us for the fire drill. It's mandatory kapag ka-board mo. In a few minutes, i-alert nila kayong lahat to go to your designated area, and it's according to your key card or yung cruise card. That's what they call it. Yung cruise card. Dito rin tatap yung mga bill. Dito rin tatap kung meron kang mga order ng anything. Dito yun. Sa scan nila. So pagka-tap mo ng card mo, okay na. Ibig sabihin, you're excused for duties as a responsible passenger. Hirap. So we had time to change. Now we're having dinner.
Pero order na kami ng
Actually nakatulog kami. So at least naka-power nap. And sakto kami na dito 6 p.m.
may ano ka,
for our
may
dinner. Sit down dinner. I think it's a proper dinner, no? Parang sit down dinner.
Through the concrete, we can dance all night, break the concrete. Flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Today is a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that away? Can we stay? Let's just stay.
Buddy!
Madami nagaganap din sa show pero sobrang ganda. Aliw siya, no? Hindi ko lang masyado naintindihan most parts pero maintindihan mo naman sa actions and through their dance yung story. So ano nga ba yung story?
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe, Arian Bautista. Hi!
Kay Jeremy ba yan? Balahurain natin. Alam mo yun si Jeremy? Underdress siya tonight.
Siya yung executive namin.
Siya yung may-ari ng cruise.
Handang-handa siya.
So, we had a few drinks sa bar and then pagdating sa room, eto yung aming activity for tomorrow. Yeah. So, this is our ship. Welcome to Adora Mediterranean. Ito yung pinaka-taas na deck. May pool. May nagta-tai chi doon. But syempre, come December, ang route nito will be Manila, Japan. Pinakataas. Anong masasabi mo sa cruise ship? Adora Mediterranean.
Good siya sa sa family. Pwede rin sa family. Lalo kung may mga senior ka, sana steady lang kayo dito.
Oo.
Naman siya.
Food.
Tama lang, sakto naman.
Masarap.
Sarap naman siya.
Hindi kasi yung route na to is Guangzhou to Manila. But yung makikita niyo pong route, yung ma-avail yung route sa December, via papuntang Japan. So the cuisine might change. Pwede maging Japanese cuisine. Malalaman natin kay Chef mamaya. So before we have our breakfast, mag-gym muna tayo. Parang I think I wanna do fasted cardio. So ko yung kanina, male yung statue, dito female. Ito yung mas malaking pool. Badgers, meron din pong shopping na magaganap dito dahil may duty free on board. Toys, clothes, perfume.
Welcome to our galley. This is the production. This is the main galley that we are talking about. We have also the deck A, where the vegetable been washed, been prepared, meat. We have the butcher down. All some fruit cutting is down because pag dumating na rin yung mga pagkain, this must be sanitized and clean na.
Thanks for touring us here sa Gali.
Chef Jeremy, subscribe ha?
Thank you,
And
Chef.
follow.
Thank you. And this is it, Georges and Jerry Bear. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating cruise from Guangzhou to Manila. Magiging available na po ang Adora Mediterranean. Pwede nyo siyang ma-experience ngayong December to January. Ito po yung mga packages ng Travel Warehouse Inc. with Adora Mediterranean. Always remember, this is Jeremy. The more you eat, the more you love. Bye. See you in the next vlog!